Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you people are doing well. So today I'm going to solve the model paper question number 2, okay, of mathematics. Okay, you can see it here. It is recently released by the board. Okay, this is the name of your board. Okay, so in this we are going to discuss 40 questions. I will be providing both the solutions as well as the explanation and the easiest approach how you have to follow in the exam. Okay, so stay tuned till the last, and if you find the content useful, kindly do like, share and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so before starting solving the problems, let me tell you one thing. Keep this in mind. Okay, you can take it as a tip, okay, for your exam. So when you are going to write your exam, always try to start answering from the question which you are 100% sure about. Make sure you are 100% sure on that question. Okay, you can also call that as a easy one. Okay, for example, if you want to follow question number 1 to in order, I mean to say in order, then follow it. But suddenly if you get a question that is for example question number 4, and if you are not getting the answer easily in the first step, don't stay there. Ignore that question, move to the question number 5. Okay, similarly, whenever you find some question difficult, okay, you are not getting the answer, you can just skip it, leave that for that moment, move to the next question. What will that do? It will save your time. Okay, and that is very important because this exam is of MCQ type, right? So you don't need to follow like order. You can start from question number 30, and in the OMR sheet for the question number 30 you have to mark A, B, C or D. So there is no need that it will be not look good, it won't be in arranged form, so what the evaluator will see. Don't worry about it. You try to answer the question which you are sure about it in the beginning. Okay, always finish the easiest questions first and then move to the moderate, and at last the one which you are unable to solve. And by chance if you do not get the answer, what you can do, you can mark any one option. Okay, don't leave it blank, because in exam, who knows, the one which you have marked is a right one, right? So instead of leaving, you just mark any one of the answer. Okay, by luck it may be the correct one. Okay, since you don't have any negative marking that if you put wrong answer your mark will be deducted, so there is no problem in marking if the answer is not known by you. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, answer all the questions. Okay, so by that let me start solving the questions. Okay, so coming to the first question. So this is our first question. Okay, the value of x and y which satisfy the linear equation are dash. Okay, so just you have to substitute the values of x and y such that it becomes equal to RHS. In RHS you have 16, right? 2x plus 3y equals to 16. So without just using pen, you can just substitute the values, calculate in your mind and put the answer directly. See, if I put 5 and 2, what will this become? 5 to the 10 and 3 to the 6, 16. Correct? 10 plus 6, 16. So option number A is the right choice. That's all. There is no need of using pen and pencil substituting. You just look at the question, relate, answer. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. So this is our question number 2. By solving a pair of linear equations, this and this, the value of x and y are. Here you have to solve the values. So I will write here first x plus y equals to 8, and see here they have given what? 2y first and then minus x equals to 1. But here you have to write in the form of x first and y later. So I will write it in that order only. Minus x plus 2y equals to 1. Okay, this you have to keep it in mind. So see, x minus x, it's directly gets cancelled. Here y plus 2y is 3y, 8 plus 1 is 9. So y is equal to 9 by 3, which is equal to 3. correct? So y is 3. Now you put in any one of the values. So 8 minus y, this becomes, so 8 minus 3 is how much? 5. So x is 5 and y is 3. X is 5, x is 5 here, y is 3. Option number C. Okay, see, they have given x is 3 and y is 5. They have interchanged it just to confuse you. But don't get confused. Just solve yourself and compare, then tick the answer. Okay, moving to the question number 3. The standard form of the quadratic equation, this is dash. So standard form is what? It is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, right? This one. Okay, so I will write the given question first. 5x minus 3. So when we solve this, this remains the same. 4 5 is a 20x minus 4 3 is a 12. Now bring everything to LHS. 3x square, this becomes minus 20x, and this plus 12 equals to what? RHS. So this is the given, this will be the required equation. So now check with the answer. Minus 5 no, plus 20 no, minus 20 plus 3 yes. Here minus 20 plus 12, but yeah, exactly. See here we have got 12. So here we have 12, not 3. So this is our right answer. Question option number D is the correct value. Moving to the fourth question of this paper. The pair of coincident lines in the following are. So coincident line, what is the condition for that? A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2, right? All of the relations are equal, means ratios are equal. So you have to just look here, you will get 1 by 3, 2 by 4, they are not equal. 2 by 4, if you cancel 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2. So this is matching. You can check with this also, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, but here it will become 1 by 3. So this can't be. 1 by 1, 1 by minus 1, here 2 by 1. So even this can't be. So the required option is option number B. Understood? So they are very easy. Okay, you can easily solve them. Now moving to the next page. Okay, so this is our question number 5. Okay, so 4 questions are from linear equation. Now this is 5th one, and here it is from AP, correct? So what is the question given? Let us check. The sum of first 15 terms of AP is 465 and the sum of first 14 terms of the same AP is 406. Then its 15th term is dash. Okay, so whenever you see the sum of first 15, so it means they have given S15. Okay, and here also they have written the sum of first 14, it means they have given S14, and they have asked you to find its 15th term. They have not asked sum, its 15th means A15 they have asked. Okay, so what is this given? 465, and this is how much? 406. Now you have to find A15. So this formula you have to remember here. When Sn is given and sum of a term before it is given, then the difference of that will be An term. Okay, means if they give you AS3 and before that S2, when you subtract, your answer will be A2. You have to remember this. Okay, sorry, A3 not A2. So same thing we are going to apply here. S14, okay, sorry, S15 minus S14 will give you what? It will give you A15. It means 465 minus 406 will give you what? A15. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Here 5 minus 0 is 5. And so answer is how much? It is 59. Okay, so you have to keep this formula in your mind. An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Okay, moving to the next question. This is our question number 6. What have they given? The 20th term of an AP. This is the AP. They have asked 20th, means A20 they have asked. So you all know that A20 can be written as A plus 19D, right? So if you know the value of A and D, you can find it. So what is A in this progression? 1. What is D? It is 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4, correct? So substitute 1 plus 19 into 4. How much is this? 1 plus 19 4s are 76, correct? So this becomes how much? 70. 7. So option number A is the correct choice. So all of the questions whichever we are solving, they are very easy, right? So you can easily solve them. We have not struck anywhere till now. Let us see the next question. If x comma 8 comma 11 comma y are the consecutive terms of an AP, consecutive means one after another, means first, second, third, fourth, they are called as consecutive. The value of x and y are, so let me write it here. X, 8, 11, y, they are in AP. They have asked the value of x and y. So you can see here, what will be d? 8 minus x, right? If I take this one, a1, a2, a3 and a4. So what is d? A2 minus a1. Another, what is d? A3 minus a2 means 11 minus 8. So using comparing these two, we can find this. Similarly here, a4 minus a3 will also give us what? D, correct? So a4 is y minus 11. So we'll compare first with this. So 8 minus x is equal to 11 minus 8. So bring all the numbers to one side. First solve it. 8 minus x is equal to 11 minus 8 is how much? 3. So 8, if you bring to this becomes minus 3, and this comes to RHS becomes plus x. So this is 5. X, the value of x is 5. Now compare this same with this one. So 11 minus 8 is equal to y minus 11. So here once again this is 3, this is y minus 11. Bring this 11 to LHS. So 3 plus 11, which is equal to y. So y is how much? 14. So x is 5, y is 14. Okay, 5 and 14. Option number D is the right answer. Got it? So they are very easy. Just you have to equate with D. That's why they have given like this. The difference remains the same in AP. That's what you have to do. That is the logic which you are going to apply here. Okay, now moving to the question number 8. I guess this is question number 7, right? Yes. So this is our question number 8. What have they given? If 8 comma x comma 20 are in AP, the value of x is, yeah, it is the same as the question number 7. So 8, x and 20 are in AP. So difference d over here and over here should be same. So here it is x minus 8 and here it will be 20 minus x, right? This is a2, a1, a2, a3. So a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a2, both of will give what? Difference, and difference is same. That's why we are equating together. So bring x to one side. So here this becomes x plus x, and numbers to the other. Here 2 plus 8, 20 plus 8. So 2x is equal to 28. So x is equal to 28 by 2, which is equal to 14. So option number C is the correct answer. Okay, so till here we find all the questions as easy. Next, moving to question number 9. The first term and the last term of an AP are A and L respectively. Okay, first term is A and last term is L. Then the sum of the first n terms is what? So you might have learned this one. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus an when the first and last term is given, right? So here instead of an they have written L. So it will become what? A plus L, that's all, and everything remains the same, n by 2. Okay, so you just look for this option. N into 2a, no, no, n by 2 into a plus L. Okay, yeah, here see they have written n plus L, but we need a plus L. So this is the right answer. Option number C is the correct value. Okay, moving to the question number 10. The roots of the quadratic equation are dash. So this is the equation, 4x square minus 81 equals to 0. So don't use any formula and all, just equate like this. If this 81 goes to RHS, it becomes plus 81, right? So x square will be 81 by 4. Just by looking at these numbers 4 and 81, what are they? They are perfect squares, right? So now if you transfer this square to RHS, it's become root. So 81 by 4 is how much? It is 9 by 2, correct? Square root of 81 is 9, 4 is 2. And since we had this square, we have to write plus and minus because it's a degree of 2. So we have two values of x. One is plus 9 by 2 and the other is minus 9 by 2. So either you write like this or this, both of them are right. So just look at the answer. Plus or minus 9 by 2 is this one, option number D. So that is the right answer. Okay. So I hope you find it very useful. Moving to the next question, you find it very easy, not useful. So next is question number 11. What have they given? The roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, this is the equation x square plus bx plus c equals to 0 r. So the formula, what is that? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, so just now compare. Just don't look at the answer and find which one is right. First write yourself if you have remember, then compare. So minus b, you look for minus b first. These three. Okay, then plus or minus. Okay, in all three. B square minus 4ac. Okay, not this. Okay, this and this. Now divided by 2a. So in numerator you have here, you have 2a. At option number D you have only 2. So which is the correct answer? Option number B is the correct answer. Okay. Next, moving to question number 12. In finding the roots of quadratic equations, okay, equation, let me write it first. 6x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. By method of factorization, the middle term minus x can be written as, okay, this term. So what we do, we have to multiply first and last term first. So 6 2s are 12, and since here we have minus, we will write minus here, and whatever is the middle coefficient we'll write here, it is minus 1. So we need two values such that when we multiply we get minus 12, and when we add them we get minus 1. So it is 4 into 3, correct? Now 4 3s are 12, it is plus 12. So if I do minus 4 into 3, this becomes correct. Okay, minus 12. Now 4 minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So minus x can be written as what? Minus 4x and plus 3x. So let us look for this minus 4x and 3x. Yeah, both of them 3 minus 3. No, minus 5, 3, 4 minus no. Option number A is the correct one. Okay, they all are very easy. Next, moving to question number 13. The quadratic equation is in the following is dash. So same quadratic equation means it is in the form of x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, where x square, where a should not be equal to 0, means the equation consists of highest degree 2. Okay, even it doesn't have this x, but if it has x square, you can say it is a quadratic equation. So here if you see, here you have x square, in the RHS also you have x square, but if I bring this, it becomes what? X square minus x square, 0. So this remains a linear equation, so this can't be the quadratic. Here you don't have any degree with 2, so this is also not quadratic. Here you have, but this is in the form of by, right? So when you do the LCM, x plus 2 by x, so this becomes x square, and here this is x square. So when you multiply in the RHS, it becomes x cube. So even this is not quadratic equation because its highest degree becomes 3 on reducing it. But if you look at this, it is given in the form of what? Quadratic equation itself. So option number D is the right choice. Okay, moving to the next question. So this is our question number 14. What have they given? See, in the right angle triangle ABC, B is 90. Okay, so first draw a right angle triangle, keep B as 90 degree. Okay, so this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now if tan C is root 3, means theta is here. Okay, so tan theta or tan C, what they have given? Root 3. The value of A is how much? This value they have asked. So at what angle the tan value is root 3? It is 60, right? For tan 60 degree, the value is root 3. It means what? C is how much? 60 degree. But they have asked the angle A. So if this is 90, this is 60, how much will be this be? This will also be 30 because the sum should be equal to 180. So when you subtract this 150 from it, means adding these two, you'll get 30. So option number A is the correct value. Okay, Now moving to question number 15. If sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, sine theta, how much they have given? 3 by 5. The value of 1 minus cos square theta. So this is from the formula sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So what is 1 minus cos square theta? It is sine square theta, right? It means what they have given 3 by 5. At the place of 1 minus cos square theta, you can write sine theta only. So this becomes 3 by 5, and there is the addition of square here, right? So 3 by 5 whole square. This becomes how much? 3 3 is 9 by 25. So option number C is the right one. Okay. Okay, so moving to the question number 16 now. I hope you all are understanding. So here they have given if sine of alpha plus beta. Okay. So sine of alpha plus beta is equal to 1 and cos of alpha minus beta is equal to 1, where alpha plus beta is less than 90 degree. Okay, then the value of alpha and beta is how much? So see, for what value of sine from 0 to 90 degree you get 1. So for sine 90, right, sine 90 degree is how much? 1. So similarly, for what value of cos from 0 to 90, okay, you get the answer as 1. So it is for cos 0, correct? For cos 0 we get 1. So what does it shows? It shows ki a alpha plus beta is how much? 90 degree, right? Alpha plus beta is 90 degree, and what is alpha minus beta? It is 0 degree. So alpha minus beta is 0. Now solve this in the form of linear equation. Okay, so or else you can do like this, which two value will give 90, and means if you add them you get 90 and you subtract them you get 0. So it is 45, right? 45 plus 45 is 90 and 45 minus 45 is 0, correct? So if you can't do this, just do it by linear equation. So beta beta gets cancelled here, 2 alpha, and this is 90. So alpha is how much? 90 by 2. So this is 45. Now when you subtract in this one, beta will become 90 minus 45. So this is also 45. So option number D is the correct value. Alpha and beta, both of them are equal to 45 degrees. Got it? Moving to the next question. So they are easy. These questions are easy. You have just don't get confused. What have they given? We have not seen something like this. It's common sense. You have to use this rule, 0 to 90 degree. Okay, it shows ki they have replaced this whole thing. Okay, at the place of angle they have given something like this. They can sometimes give x plus y also, sine of x plus y or sine of p plus q. So it is just to confuse you. Okay, but don't get confused. Use your brain and solve it. Okay, moving to the next question is our question number 17. So in the given figure, okay, ABC is a right angle triangle in which B is 30 degree, BC is 6, and angle A is, oh sorry, B is 90, A is 30. Then the length of AC is how much? Okay, so if you can see theta, it is here at A. So if theta is here, opposite side is which one? This one. This is adjacent, and the hypotenuse is this one. So you have theta and you have O. They have asked you to find the value of H. So which ratio have O and H, opposite and hypotenuse side? So you might have remembered this. So hell kahan ja raha hai? My trick to these trigonometric ratios, right, to America. So H and O, they are present in only sine. So you have to use this formula. Sine theta is equal to O by H. So sine 30 is equal to O is 6, H is unknown. What is sine 30? It is 0, 1 by 2, correct? So 6 by H. Now cross multiply. So H is equal to 6 to the 12. So what is AC? AC is 12 centimeter. Got it? So that is the answer for question number 17. Now moving to question number 18. Which of the following is the correct relation? So once again based on the formula. So tan square theta plus 1 should be there. Here it's wrong. Sine is reciprocal of cosec. This is also wrong. Tan is equal to sine by cos. This is also wrong. Three are wrong. Means obviously the fourth one will be right, right? You can see it also. This is the identity, first identity of trigonometry, and that is the right choice also. Okay, they are very easy. Next, moving to question number 19. The midpoint of the line segment joining the point x1 y1 x2 y2 are dash. Midpoint they have asked. It means what? X comma y you have to find. What is that? X1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, right? This is the midpoint formula, section formula. But since it is midpoint, m1 and m2 both of them becomes 1, right? And in denominator we have m1 plus m2. That's why we are adding 1 plus 1. Here it's become 2. So just compare it. Minus minus, yeah, here it is plus plus, correct, minus wrong. This is the right answer, option number B. Okay, moving to the next question now. So question number 20, what does it says? So we are half to the mark now. Okay, we have not find any question too difficult, right? The distance between the points this and this is dash. So just use distance formula, x1 y1 x2 y2. So distance formula is x2 minus x1, so minus 5 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, correct? Just substitute. So here you will get 25 plus here also you will get 25, right? Square of minus becomes plus. So this is 50. So this can be written as 25 into 2, which is equal to 5 root 2. Okay, whenever you get perfect square, just reduce it. So our answer is 5 root 2, not 2 root 5. Make sure you have written 5 root 2 because square root of 25 is 5. So this is the answer, option number C. Moving to question number 21. I'll just zoom it. Yes, see what have they given. In the given graph, the value of BP is dash. Okay, so if you see this A, B, here is B, P. So there was the distance between this and this. Now you can directly find it. See, if you just look at it here, this is 1, 2, 3. Here also you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 1 unit they have given, 1 on both sides. So just this distance is how much? If you just look at how many lines are there, okay, only 2 units, 1 and 2. So directly you can say the distance is 2 units. Okay, but if you are not sure, what you can do, you can use the distance formula. Okay, how are you going to use distance formula? See, here x is how much? For p it is 3 and y is also 3. So 3 comma 3, right? So now use the formula. 3 minus 3 is 0 whole square plus 5 minus 3 is 2 whole square, right? So this is 2 whole square. What is 2 whole square? 4, which is equal to 2. So even then you will get the answer as 2 only. Okay, so our answer is 2. I hope you have understood it. Moving to the question number 22. So what is the question? If p of x comma y divides the line a b in the ratio m1 is to m2, okay, then x and y is equal to. So here you have to write which formula? Yes, section formula. Okay, so I will tell you one trick. See, you write first m1, leave space m2. Similarly, denominator m1 plus m2. Here also m1 plus m2. In denominator also you write m1 plus m2. Now this is for x and this is for y, right? So what we will do, we will write x1 and x2 here, and here y1 and y2 in this formula. How? See, whenever you have m1 you write there x2, m2 you write x1. So this becomes the value for x. Now same for y also, whenever you have m1 you write y2, m2 write y1. You write in the left side or right side, it remains the same. So now look, this becomes the formula. This is for x, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, So now look, m1 from first, m1 x1, both of them are same, not here minus, so this is also wrong. m1 x2, m2 x1, but denominator they have minus, this is also wrong. Everywhere that should be plus sign. Okay, so option number B is only the correct given condition. Okay, you can relate, option number B is the right choice. So I hope you like this trick. Okay, remember that in your for your exam, sorry. Okay, now moving to question number 23. So this is our question number 23. Okay, in the cumulative frequency distribution table given below, the number of families having income range of 2000 to 20,000 to 25,000 is dash. Okay, so this requires a little calculation, right? A lengthy calculation, because since they have given only cumulative frequency, you have to subtract and all, so it may take a little long time. So what you can do in your exam, you can just keep this as pending. Okay, you can directly move to the next question, solve them first and come to this question at last. Keep this in mind whenever you see some question which requires a little more time than the other questions are requiring, then you have to leave that question for that moment of time. Okay, but since I am explaining here, we are not writing the exam, I will solve it in order only. Okay, so see what they have given, cumulative frequency here. Okay, they have given this, we have to bring this in the form of frequency, and for the range of 20,000 to 25,000. And since they have given more than 5,000, okay, it means what, this is what, this is lower limit. Okay, this will be what, this will be lower limit while writing the proper form, in the form of some like class interval. See, so this becomes, for 5,000 means we'll make between 0 to 5,000 first. Next will become, the gap is 5 everywhere, so 5 to 10,000. I'm not writing triple zeros, it will take time. So 10 to 15,000, next 15 to 20,000, next 20 to 25,000, and 25 to 30,000. So this is how it has been given. Okay, when we write it in the CI form. Now they have given more than 5,000 are how many, 100, but here we have just 0 to 5,000. Do we have any number between 0 to 5,000? No, so this becomes 0. Now between 5 to 10,000, so if you just look at this, 5 to 10,000, how much you have, 5,000, more than 5,000 were 100, and now more than 10,000 is how much, 85. Means between 5 to 10, 5,000 to 10, it will be how much, 100 minus 85, right? So that you have to write here, 100 minus 85, how much will that become, that will become 15, correct? So that will come here. Now 6, next is 85 minus 90, that will be under 10 to 15. So how much is 85 minus 90, 85 minus 69 is 16. Next, so here this becomes 16. Next is 69 minus 15 is 19, so that will come here. And next 50 minus 37, that is how much, 13, correct? So that will come here. And next 37 minus 15, that is 22, that will come to this one. Okay, so this is the correct arrangement. Okay, this is class interval, now this is frequency. Now what have they asked, the number of families having income range of 20 to 25. So 20 to 25 is how much, it is 13. Okay, so option number C is the right choice. So it was a little lengthy, but you can do it. Okay, moving to the next question, question number 24. Okay, so the average marks scored by a student in a test of 6 subjects is 18. So they have given n number of subjects, either you write small r or capital, both of them are right, 18. And average means what, mean, they have given mean value. How much is mean, 18. What is this n, number of subjects is 6, sorry, this is 6. The sum of the marks scored by him in 5 subjects is 86. Okay, means if I write sigma x, it means what? 86, but only this is for 5 subject. So the sixth subject is unknown, so we'll keep x. So 5 subject plus 6, this become sigma x. Sum of all the 6 subjects is 86 plus x. Then the marks scored by him in sixth subject is that. We don't know the value of x, so we'll write the mean formula. What is mean formula? It is sigma x by n. So mean is 18, which is equal to sigma x is how much? 5 subject 86 plus unknown, the sixth subject is x, divided by total number of subjects, how many? 6. So when we cross multiply, it becomes 18 6 how much? 108, right? Yes, which is equal to 86 plus x. So x becomes what? 108 minus 86. So this is how much? 2, and here also 2. So option number D is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this question. Moving to the question number 25 now. So this is question number 25. What have they given? The median and mode of a grouped scores are 26 and 29 respectively. This respectively shows that first is median and then mode. Okay, so median is how much? Median is 26 and mode is 29. Mean is question mark. So we have that relation 3 median, right, is equal to mode plus 2 mean. This formula you have to apply. So 3 into median is 26 is equal to mode is 29 plus 2 into mean. So when we solve, this becomes 8 78. Transfer this to LHS, this becomes minus 28 is equal to 2 by 2 into mean. So how much is this? 8 minus 8 is, sorry, this is 29, sorry. 18 minus 9 is 9, and 6 minus 2 is 4, which is equal to 2 mean. So mean is how much? 49 by 2. So 2 next 4 is 8.10, 24.5. So option number D is the correct answer for question number 25. Okay, next moving to question number 26. So this is our question number 26. You can read it. What have they given? In the given figure, okay, in the given figure, angle B is 90, AB is equal to BC. Okay, AB and BC are 2. Then the length of AC is how much? So it is Pythagoras theorem, correct? So this is AC square is equal to sum of square of these two sides, 2 square plus 2 square. So this is 4 plus 4, both of them are 8. So AC square is 8. So AC is how much? Root of 8, which is 4 into 2. So this becomes 2 root 2. 2 root 2 centimeter. Okay, option number A is the correct answer. Moving to question number 27 now. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, then the relation which is true is true relation. So we can have two types of relation here. See, one is AD by DB, first form. Second form is AD by AB. Okay, so we'll search for that. AC by AD, AC AD, no matching, leave it. We have to use BPT here. Based on BPT, I'm telling. AD by D, AD by DE, how is that possible? No. AD by AB, okay, this is following this case, is equal to AE by AC. AE by AC, yes, this is correct. But let us see D option. AB by BC, AB, BC, no, this is also not right. So option number C is the true relation, okay, and that is our right answer. Option number C. Next, moving to question number, which one? This was question number 27, 28. So this is our question number 28. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and then areas are in the ratio this. If BC is 5, then length QR. So if I write two triangle ABC and here one more PQR. So they have given area of this by this, right? So 25 is to 9 means area of ABC divided by area of this. and here they have given BC, means this side is given as 5, and length of QR means this divided by QR is how much. So we have the formula. Which one? This formula. Area will be equal to how much? Ratio of area is equal to square of their sides, corresponding sides, correct? So this is the given condition. Now while solving, this becomes 25 by 9 is equal to 25 by how much? This is QR square. Okay, so how much is this? While solving, let us do the cross multiplication, or directly you can cancel, but I will go from the basics so that you will not get confused. Divided by 25, so this cancel, and if you transfer root to our RHS, this becomes 3. So option number B is the correct answer. Okay, next moving to question number 29, it's here only. The measure of three angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Then the angle is equal to, then the triangle is dash. So angles are 1, 2, 3, means when we add, let us assume 1x, angle is 1x, 2x and 3x is equal to how much? 180, because this is for a triangle. So when you add them, this become 3 to 5 plus 1, 6x equals to 180. So x is how much? 180 by 60, sorry 6, so which is equal to 30. So this is 30, double is how much? 60, and triple of 30 is 90. So since you have one angle as 90, we can say it as what? Right angle triangle. Okay, so option number B is the correct answer. Next is question number 30. The true statement in the following is true statement. Two similar triangles are always congruent. Okay, two similar triangles. First, let me write it here. Similar and congruent. You should know the difference. Similar means same shape but different size. Here same shape as well as same size. Now they have given two similar triangles are always congruent. No, they can't be, because they will have different size. So this is wrong. A square and a rectangle are similar. How? This is square. Okay, if this is square, this shape is only not matching. We should have same shape. So even this is wrong. Two equiangular triangles are always similar. Yes, this can be right. Means corresponding angles are equal, so they can be similar. This is looking correct, but let us look at fourth. A square and a rhombus are always similar. Square is in this shape and rhombus is in this shape. So they can't be equal because angle is not 90 here. Okay, so only option number C is matching the condition of similarity. So that is our right answer, option number C. Okay, moving to the next question. So this is our question number 31. 31st question. The length of the tangents drawn to a circle from a point outside it. Length of tangents drawn from a point outside. What is the length of the tangents? They are always equal. Are equal. Option number B. This is the theorem. Okay. So you might be aware of that. Next, question number 32. In the given circle with center O, ACB, AE and BD are the tangents. Okay, AC, B, BD and AE are the tangents. Is if AB is 12, okay, this total length is 12. AE is 3, okay. Length of BD is how much? So as we all know, a tangent from one external point is equal. So if this is 3, this will also be 3. AE will also be 3, correct? Now if this total is 12, this is 3. So how much will be this? CB or BC is how much? 9. If this is 9, from B it is going, from B it is coming here. So 9, and this will also become 9. So option number D is our right choice. Okay. Next, question number 33. In the circle with center O, the secant is dash. So you must be aware of these three things. If it is touching a line touching only one point, that is tangent. Pass a line passing through circle and cutting at 2 points, we call that as secant. And if a line within the circle, okay, joining 2 points, that is chord. So we have to look for line which is passing through the circle and cutting at 2 points. So if you look at this AB, that is tangent. If you look at RQ, this is chord or diameter, and this is chord. Okay, only XY is passing through circle and cutting at 2 points. So we will call X and Y as what? Secant. So option number B is the right choice. Okay, yes. So you find it beautiful, right? Like the video then. Moving to the next question. Next question number 34. Okay, a student divided a line of line length 9 centimeter in the ratio. Okay, there is a line of how much? 9 centimeter. Okay, in the ratio of 2:3, geometrically as shown in the figure. The correct length of AM and MB obtained after calculations are how much? So we'll assume this has how much? 2x, and this has 3x. Okay, 2x and 3x. So when we add 2x plus 3x, it should be equal to how much? 9. So this is how much total? 5x is equal to 9. So x is 9 by 5. So when we solve this, 1 point, how much is this? 9 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 4.058. So 1.8 you are getting. That is for x. What will be for 2x? 2 into 1.8, so it is 3.6. What will be 3x? 3 into 1.8, so how much is this? 5.4. So answer is 33.6 and 5.4. 3.6 and 5.4. Option number C is the right answer. Okay, next is question number 35. The correct relation between the sides of a triangle ABC in the given figure. So given figure is a right angle triangle. So here you have to use what? Pythagoras theorem. So what does it says? Hypotenuse square, means here it is b square. It should be equal to sum of the other two square. So a square plus c square. Here they have given a and c, so this is the answer. Don't assume yourself this is a, b and c and right. Whatever they have given, follow that. So this is the answer. B square is equal to a square plus c square. Option number D is the correct choice. Okay, moving to the next question. So question number 36 now. The volume and surface area of sphere is numerically equal. Then radius of the sphere is how much? So you have to equate both the volume and surface area of sphere. Volume is how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube, correct? And what is surface area? It is 4 pi r square, right? So when we solve them, how much will you get? So when we solve this, how much will you get? See, we'll write here 4 will get cancelled, both of them in the numerator. Pi will get cancelled, and here you get r cube by 3 is equal to r square. Now if I send 3 to this side, this becomes 3r square. So r from this to r1s, because cube and square is there, so r will remain in the LHS, and in the RHS 3. So r is how much? 3 units. So option number A is the right choice. Okay, yes. See, if you have not understood this, r3 by 3, r cube by 3 is equal to r square. So you transfer 3 to this side, r cube and r square to LHS. This becomes like this, is equal to 3. So this is cancelled by r. So r is how much? 3. Okay, this is the answer. Next question number 37. A funnel given in the figure is combination of, so this is the funnel given. So you can see here there is a cylinder here and a frustum over here. So it is a combination of frustum and cylinder and frustum. Option number B is the right choice. Okay, it is not cone and cylinder. This is frustum, the top part, and this is cylinder. So answer is cylinder and frustum of the cone. Okay, moving to the next question. So question number 38. See, the solid is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres struck to each of its end as shown in the figure. The radius of the cylinder and hemisphere are equal. Okay, it is r. If the height of cylinder is h, the volume of the solid is. So you have to write volume of all these three figures: cylinder, sorry, this is hemisphere, cylinder and hemisphere, and add them. So what is the formula of hemisphere? Volume. it is 2 pi r cube by 3 plus, for this you have formula pi r square h. Once again 2 pi r cube by 3. Now what can you take common? See here, these two if you add, both of them are same, so we can write them as 4 pi r cube by 3, correct? 2 plus 2 4, and here pi r square h. Now in both of these we have pi r square common, so you can take it as common pi r square. So here you will be left with 4r by 3 plus here it will be just h. So this is the right answer. Now look at the conditions given there. Pi r square 4 by 3r by h, okay, this is okay. Square 2r, no. 4r by 3, no, no. Only option number A is matching with our answer, so this is the correct answer, correct choice. Next, coming to second last question. The height and radius of the base of a cone are 12 in cone, okay, 15 they have been. This is cone, okay. We call from center to center, this as height, this as slant height L, okay, and this is radius. What they have given, height is 12, means this is 12, and radius is 5, this is 5, and we have to find slant height L. Once again Pythagoras theorem, L is equal to root of 12 square plus 5 square, so it is a Pythagoras triplet, 12, 5 and 13. So this is 144 plus 25, which is equal to 169, and that is the square root of 13. So option number C is the right answer. Understood? Moving to the last question. So this is our question number 40, the last question. Okay, what have they given? A frustum of a cone shaped jaggery is melted and remolded completely to the shape of a sphere. Okay, so it was in the shape of a frustum. It is remolded into what? Sphere. What will remain the same whenever we changes one solid to other? Volume remains the same. Okay. Now they have asked the volume of sphere is. Volume of sphere will be same as volume of frustum. Look at the answer, 3 times 2 times half equal to the volume of frustum. Option number D. It's a direct question. Just to confuse you, they have given all these ABC options. Okay. So I find all the questions very easy. Only one question was little lengthy. Okay. And if you have practiced well, you will also find these questions easy. Okay. So if you find this video useful to you, kindly do like the video. You can give your feedback in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video's link with your friend. And the last thing, you have to subscribe the channel if you have not done it yet. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, practice well, and all the best for your exam.